Do you remember this installation from our recent video on the CSB-750A antenna? I screwed the AA onto the vice grip mount and clamped it onto the water pipe on the balcony. This is completely invisible from the ground and from any nosy neighbors. Because the antenna is now flush against a wall, it's significantly more compromised than it was out on the railing. We got comments from a couple of viewers saying the SWR would be so high it would damage the radio and you should never install an antenna this close to the wall of a building. After all, you don't know the construction of the building and what's inside the wall. We always recommend checking for proper operation of your equipment, including antennas. So let's look at the SWR of this particular antenna installation on this particular balcony on this particular faucet. As you can see, the SWR is 1.36 to 1 at 144.70 MHz and less than 1.5 to 1 across the entire 2-meter band. And on 70 centimeters, the SWR is 1.16 to 1 at 439.32 MHz and less than 1.5 to 1 across the entire band. So for a temporary installation on this particular situation, the radio and antenna would be fine, at least as far as the SWR is concerned. What do you think? If this was the only way you could install an antenna on a temporary basis, would you do it? Let me know in the comments section.